South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol was arrested today following his impeachment and a failed attempt to impose martial law in December 2024. The arrest, marking the first time a sitting South Korean president has been detained, came after a tense standoff at his official residence in Seoul. On December 3, 2024, President Yoon declared martial law, citing the need to address political instability. This move was met with widespread opposition and was swiftly overturned by the National Assembly, which impeached him on December 14, 2024. The Constitutional Court is currently reviewing the impeachment to determine its validity.